How's it going? Snowcastle Cats here. The cat food arrived today and we're having a bit of a clear out, a bit of a tidy up, so rather than just putting the boxes straight in the recycle, I thought I'd give the cats a bit of fun. I put these small boxes inside the big box and it's a little playground. Look how much they love it. So I'll just let them play with that and yeah, see how they get on. They can entertain themselves quite happily. It's Fluffy over there. What do you think, Fluffy? So this is Chelsea and Cooper here playing. Do you want to join in? Do you want to join in? Oh, I can see some little paws poking out. What's going on? Is that your little cave? Oh. So I think things like this make the best toys, don't they? The most interesting and unusual toys for the cats. Oi, Fluffy, that wasn't very nice. That was a bit grumpy. That was grumpy. Fluffy is their auntie, and I think sometimes they get a bit territorial over the toys. Like everyone wants to be in the box, because the box is great, isn't it? I mean, the box is the best place to be. That is the prime position. She's licking my arm now. Is that nice? Is that salty? Okay guys, catch you later. See you in the next video. Bye.